Hey there! I just want to take a moment to thank you for all your hard work this past year. But guess what? It's almost January 2025, and it's time to set those new marketing goals. Here are 5 must-dos to kick off your new year right. First up, SEO isn't a one-and-done deal, folks. Search engine algorithms change, and so should your strategies. Check your keyword performance, refresh those meta descriptions, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Use tools like Google Analytics or Ubersuggest to track your ranking and adjust accordingly. Keep your content fresh and optimized. Next, email marketing is still super effective if done right. Segment your email lists based on behavior, A/B test those subject lines, and plan a content calendar. Platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact can help you get this done seamlessly. Personalized emails? Yes, please. Number 3, don't just post and ghost. Dive into the analytics on platforms like Facebook Insights or Instagram Analytics. See what's working and what's not. Try new formats like short-form videos or interactive posts to keep your audience engaged. Stay ahead of the curve. Fourth, new customers are great, but don't forget about the ones you already have. Set up loyalty programs, initiate follow-up campaigns, and get feedback through surveys. Loyal customers can become your biggest advocates. Show them some love. Lastly, technology is always evolving, and so should you. Explore new tools that offer automation and analytics. Try free trials of platforms like SEMrush, HubSpot, or Canva. Take online courses to get the hang of things. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just open-minded and willing to learn. So there you have it. 5 must-dos to start 2025 strong. Let's make this new year your best one yet. Keep pushing, keep learning, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.